Hello students. Previously I have explained question number 2. Now this is question number 3. In this we have to use some other concept, some other formula. Here just you see here power is already there and one more power is there, means two power is there. So what we'll do in this types of question? So just you see here a power m and whole power n. This type of formula we will subtract, we will multiply both the power. Okay, we will remove this small bracket, then we will multiply both the power, means m into n will come a power m into n, like this. Same formula we will use in this whole parts. So just you see here base is same and power is 3, again whole power is 2 is there. So we will multiply both the power, so it will come 7 power 3 into 2. So 7 power 6 will come. Okay, this is the final answer. Next one, next part, 9 power 4 and whole power 2 is there. So 9 power 4 into 2 will come. We will remove the small bracket, then both power will be multiplied. So answer is 9 power 8. This is the final answer. Next one, 17 power 2. So 17 square, 17 power 2 means 2 into 3, it will come 17 power 6. This is the final answer. Okay. So very simple, just we have to remove this small bracket, then multiply both the power. That's it. This is the final answer. Next one, just you see here, this one is fraction and power 2 is there, again whole power 5 is there. So both power will multiply, so it will come 7 upon 3 power 2 into 5, mean 5 2s are 10, it will come final answer 7 upon 3 whole power 10 will come. Okay, so this is the final answer, 7 upon 3 whole power 10. Next one, t power 4 and whole power 4 is there. This one is variable, so there will be no issue, variable, either variable or constant. Okay. Then 4 into 4 it will multiply, t power 4 into 4, it will come t power 16. Okay, next e part, just you see here, again here variable is there, so m power 9 and whole power 3 is there. So we will again remove this small bracket, then power will be multiplied. Okay, so we will multiply both the power, m power 9 into 3, it will come m power 27. So this is the final answer, m power 27. Like that we will do in the exercise. And now I will take the next question, that is question number 4. That is some different but somewhat same also in this question number 4. Just I will take some more example based on the question number 4. Just you see here in question 4, simplify. In question 4 heading is given simplify. Okay, like this heading is given in question number 4. So in a part x y power 2 is there, 2 base is there, x and y, two different product is given and whole power 2 is there. So simplify means just you put the power both in same place. So x power 2, y power 2, like this will come. Okay, if this types of question are given, if base is different and whole power 2 is given, so just you put in this power also and in this power also, whatever power is there, that same. So x power 2 and y power 2, and here multiply is given, nothing, no need to write here multiply. If you want you can write, otherwise no required. Next one, b part, or next example, 7 power 7a square and whole square whole cube is given. These types of question are given. So 7 power 3 will come and a power 2 into 3, like this will come. So 7 power 3 into a power 2 into 3, like this question will come. So what we'll do in this case, 7 power 3 means 7 into 7 into 7, 3 times it will multiply, 7 into 7 into 7, if question is given simplify, means we have to find exact value of the constant. And here a power 2 means a 2 into 3, a power 6 will come. So 7 7 ja 49, 49 7 ja 343 will come. 343 a power 6. Okay. So this types of question will come, then you have to find exact value what will come, same types of you have to do. Next part I will take next example based on the question number 4. Next example is, just you see here in C part, minus sign is there, minus 2 x power 5 and y square power 7 is there. So just you solve here. Again here whole power 7 is given. Whole power 7 means we will take power here and here and here. Separate. So minus 2 power 7 will come. X power 5 into 7 will come. And here y power 2 into 7 will come. So minus 2 power 7 means minus 2 will multiply 7 times. So minus, you will write down like this, minus 2 into, 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 here, minus 2 into, minus 2, and here x power 5, 7 5 is 35, and here y into y power 14 will come. So 3 3 ja 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 32 ja 64, 64 2 ja 128. So minus 128 will come, and x power 35 will come, and y power 14 will come. So this is the final answer. Okay. Like that you will do in the exercise. Whatever question will come in the exercise in question 3rd and 4th, you will try yourself. Okay. That's all.